Certainly important with how cold this entire month has been.
Yeah.
I know.
Finally getting a break, though, it
Yes.
seems this week, Brian.
And it does look substantial too. I mean, the mornings are still cold and there's no way around that, but the afternoons are going to start to feel better with some 50s and 60s, and even the month of February, I mean, we'll have some colder snaps, of course, but looking milder compared to January. We're coming off a pretty mild December too. The warmer trend is already underway. We've seen a couple of days now with temperatures in the 50s. Breezy weather is going to take hold today and really tomorrow. There is a wind advisory across the mountain counties of both North Carolina and Virginia. Expires at 3 o'clock this afternoon. We'll get you caught up on that. And we're dry for the foreseeable future. Our next rain chance comes at the very earliest late Thursday. Looking pretty wet though for Friday now as we've kind of shifted our timetable a little bit. Temperatures mostly in the 50s yesterday afternoon. We got to 51 degrees officially at PTI Airport. Front came through and really kind of kept temperatures from warming much more. It's now well east of us offshore over the Atlantic, but temperatures pretty close to where they should be. Even morning lows were running mild, especially compared to last week when we had most mornings with temperatures falling as far as the teens. Certainly a very rough situation for the area homeless the last couple of weeks. Temperatures over the region in the 30s this morning with some 20s mixed in. There are some spots that are below freezing. Triad temperatures 34 and 35 degrees from Greensboro to Winston-Salem respectively. Winds are still with us. It's a westerly wind today that tends to be a warmer wind direction east of the mountains for us. That moisture up the slopes kind of dumps off some clouds, and then the air dries when it comes down and warms up too. And so high temperatures likely getting at least into the mid 50s today, but could see a few spots in the upper 50s across the western Piedmont. Gusts are strongest north and west, about 25 to 35 miles per hour at the moment. And that's enough to take the wind chill temperatures down below 20 this morning, feeling like 15 in Boone and 7 in Banner Elk. Your forecast is a sunny one today. High temperature should be around 56 or 57 this afternoon. West winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, so a little bit breezy, if not a little brisk, especially in the shady locations. 55 for the foothills with the west wind at 10 to 20. Impact icons are up for that wind advisory. West-northwest winds at 20 to 40, but could gust to 50 through about mid-afternoon today. That advisory again expires at 3 for those stronger gusts. A wind chill will be in the teens and 20s for the majority of the day. It's also a situation where we have still a lot of fuel on the ground, dry winds, slightly milder conditions, and low relative humidity. That's a recipe for fires to spread quickly if they start, so we're strongly encouraging folks to postpone outdoor burning. Highest danger areas are in the Triad and foothills with those warmer temperatures today. We're dry today, we're dry tomorrow. Good sunshine in the area, clear skies tonight. Temperatures will drop to near freezing, low to mid 30s expected tomorrow. And for the first time this year, we're expecting 60-degree weather tomorrow. How's that? Windy conditions too, and even stronger than what's expected today. Clouds will start to gather on Thursday, bring a chance for wet weather from a passing warm front first. The cold front, though, is going to bring the majority of the rain, so I think Thursday evening we could see a few showers, maybe as early as Thursday afternoon. Friday looks wetter, but the good news is it will start to move out by the weekend. Don't forget, Sunday is Groundhog Day, and also later in the evening, the Cookout Clash. We'll have the forecast for that. Looks pretty good at Bowman Gray.